ID3 electric cars. Should we have a quick chat about electric cars? What's the point? There you go, said it. What is the point? It's not working. There's not enough charging points. Unless you've got 50 grand in the bank, you can't afford one. They cost just as much to run as a petrol car. The only point being is apparently they're saving the earth. But to mine all those precious metals is destroying things, it's destroying environments. They need to look at another option. There needs to be another way, and there are plenty of other ways. I was watching something the other day about recycling carbon into reusable fuel. Why is this not being invested? Oh, I know why. Because it costs it costs the big corporates money. They're not going to make any money out of it. But yeah, I never understand the need for an electric car. Yes, if it was completely and utterly green and it cost less and it was accessible to most people who could actually afford it, yes, go for it. But otherwise, don't do it. Do not get an electric car. Stick with your petrol motors, sock it to them. Eventually they'll come around and they'll have to relent. Unless they sort this whole situation and debacle out with energy, it's completely pointless. Batteries are not safe. They are not safe and they are not renewable. Eventually they're going to have to end up in a big hole in the ground, like everything else. Well, one thing that is renewable, if you do it correctly, is carbon, hydrogen, all these things that are readily available. You don't have to mine them, you just have to extract them, and to extract them you can use renewable energy. Why isn't this being done? That's why this stuff, money, all they care about.